Why does my HVAC system flicker my lights? Your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system can flicker your lights because it pulls a big burst of power when it starts, and that can make the voltage dip for a moment. When your HVAC turns on, it uses a motor and compressor that need a strong first push, kind of like a bike needing extra effort to get moving. If your lights dim or flicker only for a second when the system starts, that can happen even in a normal home, especially with older wiring or weaker utility power. But if the flicker is strong, happens every time, or keeps going while the system runs, that can point to a loose connection, an overloaded circuit, or a problem in the panel. One thing people do not always know is that the issue can sometimes be at the outdoor unit, the indoor blower, or even the main electrical service, not just the light itself. A simple first step is to watch when the flicker happens, because timing gives a big clue. If it happens only at startup, the inrush current may be the cause. If it happens when other appliances run too, your home may need an electrician to check the wiring and connections. The safest move is to treat repeated flickering as a warning sign, not just an annoyance. A common mistake is assuming the bulb is bad when the real problem is electrical supply, so try a different light before blaming the HVAC. Another thing to watch is loose wiring, because a loose wire can make lights flicker and can also create heat, which is a fire risk, so have it checked fast. People also forget that a dirty or failing HVAC part can make the system work harder and pull more power. So keeping filters clean and servicing the unit can help reduce stress. If the flicker is getting worse, do not ignore it, because a small voltage drop can turn into a bigger repair later. If breakers trip, lights buzz, or outlets feel warm, stop using the system and call a licensed electrician or HVAC technician. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.